Mass uprisings, revolution, public protest or severe political crisis, and then a country's powerful head of state suddenly flees to seek refuge in a foreign land. In many cases, the entire event unfolds within just a few hours, sometimes even less. But the question remains, how does such a complex process happen in such a short amount of time? Before understanding that unwritten dynamic, let's take a look at the pages of history, including the events of 5th August in Bangladesh. In 2011, amid fierce public protest, Tunisia's longtime dictator, President Zain El Abidine Ben Ali, resigned and fled the country, taking refuge in Saudi Arabia. Within a matter of hours, Ben Ali and his family arrived in Saudi Arabia aboard his presidential VIP aircraft, a luxurious plane operated by Tunisia's national carrier, Tuniair. 3 years after the events in Tunisia in 2014, amid intense public protest during Euromaidan movement in Ukraine, the pro-Russian president Viktor Yanukovych was ousted and fled the country. Yanukovych had already escaped to Russia aboard Russian military helicopters and naval vessels about 15 to 16 hours before the official fall of his government. Meanwhile, in 2022, facing a mass uprising triggered by a severe economic collapse and acute food and fuel shortages, Sri Lanka's powerful president Gotabaya Rajapaksa fled the island nation. Rajapaksa flew to the Maldives aboard a Sri Lankan Air Force military aircraft and later boarded an international flight to seek shelter in Singapore. He left the country within nearly 36 hours of the government's collapse. Just 2 years after the Sri Lankan crisis, on August 5, 2024, following a historic mass uprising led by students and public in Bangladesh, the then Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina resigned and took refuge in the neighboring country of India. Sheikh Hasina used 2 different Bangladeshi military aircraft during her escape. She crossed over to India within a span of roughly 45 minutes. In December 2024, following a rapid advance by the rebel forces and the final stage of a 13-year civil war, the government of Syrian President Bashar al-Assad collapsed. After the capital Damascus fell under rebel control, he fled the country and was granted political asylum in Moscow, Russia. He initially traveled from Damascus to Russian-operated Himyam air base on the Syrian coast. Later, as the situation deteriorated further, he was evacuated to Moscow on a military aircraft under Russian arrangement. If you pay close attention, you will notice a few common patterns. First, in 3 out of these 5 cases, official state or military aircraft were used to flee the country. Second, in all 5 instances, decisions were made in an extreme short frame of time. Third, these former heads of state chose countries with which they already enjoyed friendly relations. At the same time, host nations also took such monumental and complex decisions on short notice, despite knowing it could spark backlash from the citizens of the fleeing leaders' countries. According to analysts, when a host nation swiftly rescues and provides refuge to the head of a state, it gains 4 major strategic advantages. 1. Maintaining credibility among future political allies. 2. Securing deep intelligence and strategic control. 3. Preventing civil war or regional instability. And 4. Using the ousted leader as a future political card. Let's step back for a moment. Ousted heads of the state use their country's official or military aircraft to flee so rapidly upon resigning. Is it facilitated by loyalists within their government, or is it made possible through the strategy and pressure of the host nation? Given that the host nation are generally countries far more powerful than their leader's home country. Except for Bangladesh and Syria, the other cases are now a part of history. However, none of these former heads of the state managed to rebuild a stronger political foothold despite their efforts, nor could they return to their homelands. History clearly hints that the political future of the former heads of state who flee their countries is rarely a bright one.